Hey guys, I'm back today because we're going to talk about some addition strategies. I feel that maybe you forgot some of your addition strategies that we learned in class, so I'm going to go over them today. There are many types of ways that you can add your numbers together. So the ways that I'm going to show you today are not the only ways that you can add your numbers, okay? So I'm going to show you the ones that you like to use in class, the ones that you showed me that you like to use for adding your numbers. So this was a collection of your strategies, and I chose the top 5 of them that it seems like as a class you like to use to add your numbers together. So the first one that I'm going to show you today is this strategy called count all. So this was a strategy that a lot of you like to use to add up your numbers. Okay, so we're going to take a number sentence such as 14 plus 25. In fact, we're going to use that number sentence for all of our strategies that we're going to practice today. Okay, let's get going. 14 plus 25. I'm going to write that here. So if we have 14 objects and we add 25 more, we're looking to see how many objects we have in all. So one of the ways that you can do this is by using a strategy called count all. Now remember, count all means that you have all of the objects in front of you and you count them all. Okay, so it's just like what it says. So if I have 14 objects, let's just say circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 circles and I have 25 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so I've got all of my objects out in front of me, and a strategy that some kids like to use is count all of those items. Okay, so when we go to find our answer, counting all would be starting from the beginning. Okay, so now I'm going to count all of my objects to get my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so I know that 14 plus 25 equals 39 objects. That's using the count all strategy. Okay. Some of you moved on and decided that you didn't want to use the count all strategy. Some of you like to use this strategy, which is called count on. Okay, the count on strategy. So again, we're going to use 14 plus 25. And our count on strategy means that you start with one number already. Again, you count on the rest. Okay, so if I have 14 plus 25, and let's just say I have let's just say I have 14 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And again, I have 25 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, again, it looks like almost the same as count all. It's kind of set up like that. However, the difference between count all and count on is that you already know what one of the numbers are, and you're holding that number in your head. So you already know that this is 14. So you're holding that number in your head, okay? And you're going to count on from that number. 14, I know what comes after 14. You can say it with me. This number must be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so I figured that out counting on. Again, 14 plus 25 equals 39. You don't always have to use objects. Some of you like to use number lines, and that's okay too. So if you have a number line and you started at 14 and you add on 25 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's not the number 25, excuse me. We would have to fill in our numbers all the way. We know that we added 25 more, and whatever we land on here is going to be our answer. We know that's going to be 39 if we fill in all of our hopping marks. Okay, so counting on looks like that. Okay, it's an addition strategy that you guys like to use in class. All right, next strategy that you all like to use in class was called base 10 counting. Okay, let me turn my camera just a little bit more here. There we go. Okay, so now base 10 counting is another strategy that you can use for adding your numbers. Base 10 strategy works really well for adding our double-digit numbers, such as 14 plus 25. When we get into our big numbers, this is a very good strategy for adding up those numbers. Okay, so what does base 10 counting look like? In order to use base 10 counting, you have to know your base 10 place values. So in second grade, you are learning how to add numbers in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. With a number like 14 plus 25, we're going to set up these numbers into our hundreds, tens, ones, or HTO model. Okay, so the number 14, remember, looks like one group of 10. So we draw our tens rod like that, and our 4 ones in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do the same thing for 25. 25 has 2 groups of 10. So we're going to add 2 more groups of 10 in our tens place. And it has 5 ones. So we add 5 ones into our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now we're getting ready to add our ones and our tens together. So when we add our ones all up together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 9 ones. There's 9 ones. When we add up our tens together, we can see that there's 1 group of 10, 2, 3 groups of 10. Remember, that's really 30, 10, 20, 30. We can see that 14 plus 25 is again 39. You can see that our answers are never changing. So it doesn't really matter what strategy you're using as long as you're getting the correct answer, that you're accurate. Remember that talk about accuracy. Accuracy in math is very, very important. Doesn't matter how we're getting to our answer as long as we have that accurate answer. Okay, so now another strategy that we like to use in class that you all like to use is the splitting and decomposing strategy. Okay, so for splitting and decomposing, this is what it would look like for 14 plus 25. 14 plus 25 better over here. Okay. All right, so 14 plus 25. So remember, with 14 plus 25, I feel like there's a glare here. Let me see if I can close my window a little bit. I think that's a little bit better. Remember, with decomposing, we're pulling apart our tens and ones and hundreds if we have them, okay? But in these two numbers, I don't have a hundreds place. I have a ones place and a tens place. So remember, with decomposing, you're breaking it down into its expanded form. Okay, so we're going to break down 14 into 10 plus 4. Okay, because 10 plus 4 really is 14 if we add those two numbers together. And that 1 means 10, and that 4 means 4. When we break down 25, it's 20 plus 5. Okay, so you guys remember that? Now what we want to do is we want to combine our like place values. Our like place values are our tens. So we're going to go ahead and group up 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. Good job. Plus, let's group up our ones, which is 4. 4 ones plus 5 ones is 9. Good job. We're almost to our answer. We have left 30 plus 9. You can almost see that that 9 goes right into the ones place, and it becomes 39. Okay, 30 plus 9. This is what the decomposing or splitting strategy looks like for adding 14 plus 25. Still got 39. Okay, we've got one more that you all like to use in class for adding your numbers together. And the last one is called jumps on the number line. Remember that one? That was one of the last strategies that we were practicing in class. Let's go ahead and just review what it looks like for addition, okay? So again, we're doing 14 plus 25. We know it's going to be 39. We've done it already 4 times, but let's see what it looks like on the number line, okay? Okay, so remember, with jumps on the number line, you're taking one of your numbers. I'm going to go ahead and take the number 14, and I'm going to plot it on number line, okay? So that means I'm going to make my number line, and I'm going to write the number 14 right there. Okay, so I know with the number 14, there are numbers before that, and then there are numbers after that. Okay, but I'm not really worried about the numbers before because I'm adding. So I'm worried about the numbers after because I know that when I add 25, my numbers are going to get bigger. Okay, all right, so if I'm adding 25, I have to take a look at my 25 and say, okay, in the number 25, I know that there are 2 groups of 10. So I'm going to jump over 10 2 times. So I'm going to jump really 20, okay, from 14. So when we make a big jump of 10, skip over 10 numbers, we land on 24. I have to do it again. I have to do 2 jumps. Okay, so right there, I just added 10. If I add another 10, I am now at 34. Okay, so I added my 20 right there, 10 and 10. I still need to add 5 more. So this is where I do jumps of ones after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more ones. And whatever that number is right there is my answer. I just need to fill in my number line from 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. There is your 39. 14 plus 25 again, 39. Okay, so to quickly recap, these are some of the addition strategies that you all like to do in class. These are the ones that you felt comfortable. These are the ones that you shared with me. These are the ones that we've been practicing all year. Count all, count on, base 10 counting, splitting decomposing, or jumps on the number line. Okay? So when you're doing your story problems, if you used one of these addition strategies to add up your numbers, make sure you tell me which one that you used. There is no correct strategy for solving a problem. Maybe you came up with a different strategy. It wasn't on this board today. That's okay. Please share with me what strategy you used. If you don't know the name of it, explain what you did, and then we'll try and figure it out from there. All right, guys. Stay tuned because I'm going to do another video that talks about the subtraction strategies that we did in class also. Okay, I hope you're having a good day. Happy Friday, and it's almost the weekend, so you get to take a break. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.